Hello friends, today I will show you that how to remove green screen background in Adobe Premiere Pro. At first, we will attach the green screen video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Then we will attach it in the board. Then we will select the video. Then we will search from effect. From effect we will search ultra key. Yes, we found ultra key. Just drag it and put it on the video. Just drag and put it on the video. Then we will get this type of interface. And we will found key color. From key color we will change it, and our background is pure green, and we will select pure green from color option. Just OK. Yes, our green background has been removed. Just play it. Yes, our green background has been removed. Thank you. Thanks to all.